What is up, humans? I'm back in the Progress Daily warehouse. It's been about a week since I filmed the, I think it was the manual video last. I think today, as much as I'm afraid to say it, dude, I might try board slides on the flat bar. It sounds like nothing, but that's so scary. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the old warm-up axle stalls and 50/50s, maybe a couple manuals. And then we'll move it up to the board slides. I don't even want to say it out loud. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do a board slide today. Maybe a board slide to fakie. Oh my God. Yeah. Not cool. There we go. All right, the 50/50s came easier than the axle stall. It only took me one try to get a 50/50. Oh, I honestly don't know if I'm ready for this, but I'm gonna start trying to do some ollies. Oh, no. Guys, I know it doesn't seem like much. It's like a curb ollie. If you'd have told me even 10 years ago, or maybe, I don't know, if you'd have told me before I opened Blue Tile that I wouldn't be able to ollie up a curb confidently, I'd have been blown away. I don't know, I can't believe it. It's a damn curb. God. Oh God. I know, I'm just checking in and just saying the same old shit, but it is hard to come off the 50/50 and immediately, this feels quick to me, ollie up that curb, that manual pad. I gotta get the legs popping. First try on the Manny. First try. Okay, I landed the manual a couple times. I'm at least gonna put the flat bar in its place. Dude, this kicks my ass. Holy crap, that's heavy. So I know the flat bar shouldn't be scary at all, but I don't trust my knees when I ollie. I don't have any confidence that when I pop, it's gonna pop the way it's supposed to. Anyway, I'm gonna try to roll up to this stupid board slide. Here's the reality. The reality is I'm gonna roll up to this thing 500 times and not try it. And then I'm gonna try it and just land it. That's how it usually goes. I hope that's how it goes, but the confidence isn't there or I would have already tried. So I've rolled up to it 3 times, won't even crack my tail, won't even really think it through. So sometimes I like to do Actually, all the time. I like to do the 50-50 on the quarter pipe first because it just gets my brain going in like the trick landing mode. So yeah, there you go. That's why I'm doing, right? That's why I'm doing that. Scared. Stupid board slide. I was almost there. God, my brain. Brain. Nope. God, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I don't know if you can see me from here. It's very discouraging. I'm just gonna try to keep pushing through it. It's totally a mental battle. Every time I land these, it takes a while and then I get going and then I do it. Probably gonna land the first one. I just can't force my brain to jump on the stupid rail. So, oh man, it is hot. 97 degrees today in good old South Carolina. Oh, almost. Oh, at least I got the nerve to ollie on it. I thought I would land the first one I got on, so, oh, that was scary. Next one. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but when I'm bending down to pop, listen for my creaky knees. It's insane. Gosh, second try, didn't work. Here we go. Guys, it's literally just about the confidence to get on top of it. Like when I'm shooting out, it's because I don't have the confidence to commit to being right on top of it and lean over my board. So I'm like leaning back and it shoots out. As soon as I get the confidence to stand on top, I'm gonna land it, and I did. It's crazy. So I hope this is helping anyone. I know as you get older, or even if you're a beginner, confidence is hard. Confidence. That one was a little sketchier, but I landed it. I'm gonna try to go longer this time. Oh my God! Holy crap. That one was scary. I'm gonna try to clean it up. It was longer, but I'm gonna try to clean it up. Damn it. I don't have too much left in me. I've only been skating for 45 minutes, but it is 97 degrees and I can't turn the fans on in this warehouse because you'll hear them on the microphone. And like I said before, when I'm doing this, I just kind of skate in circles and I never stop. In some ways it's good because it gets me warmed up a lot, and then I also burn a lot of calories, which I'm looking forward to doing. But in other ways it's bad because in some ways I pushed myself a little too quickly to start trying board slides today, which even sounds ridiculous in my brain. I swear, board slide on a flat bar was never a task I thought I'd have to work towards, but here we are. All right, I'm gonna try to clean it up, make it a longer one. No! God! So, I'm almost tapped out, guys. I still don't have the confidence to commit every time, even though I've landed it, what, 3 times, 4 times? I can't remember. God, is it only twice? Geez. Anyway, I never thought I'd struggle at board slides. I'm gonna take a little break. All right, so I'm back from my break. Sat down for about 5 minutes. Moved the camera a little bit. I literally had like delusions of grandeur that I was going to do this whole thing today. I'm just going to try to slide that last section for you guys and call it a day. Oh God. Does that one even count? I was like screaming the whole way through. Man. I want to get a clean one. It's so hot. Moral dilemma. Do I just give up? Do I try to clean it up? If I try to clean it up, am I going to pass out? Oh my God. It is hot. I'm going to try one more, damn it. Okay, that is it. I'm taking it. That was pretty clean. I'm happy with it. I was gonna try to go to fakie, but I also thought I would slide the whole thing today, and I'm not gonna do that. I think that's it today. I did do what I set out to do, which was board slides. I was hoping I would push it further and slide the whole thing, and I was also hoping I'd do a board slide to fakie. All I got was the board slide, and I knew that that is where I was gonna struggle. I knew this video was going to be the hardest one yet because it requires a little bit more substantial ollie and a lot more trust in your ollie. Like the ollie manual on the curb and even on this higher block might be a higher manual, but you're just kind of jumping up a ledge and you can land flat on your feet. When you ollie onto a flat bar, you got to trust your legs to land stable on that flat bar. And I just don't trust my legs. I don't trust my knees. That's something I gotta work on. I don't know if that's gonna come back because I am pushing through some pain to pop ollies. So the next one, we're gonna talk more about that. Just the like sharp pain and the weirdness and uncomfortableness it takes to ollie. Like once I get warmed up, it's not super, super bad, but it's always there. But yeah, I can do some significant ollies, I guess, some significantly high ollies, so to speak. But I want to get back. I want to be comfortable and just do clean ollies over barriers or whatever I want to ollie. So that's what we're going to do next time. I appreciate you guys tuning in for this sweat fest. If you have any questions, or if you're in kind of the same boat, comment below and let me know what you're going through, and let me know what your moves are to try to, rebuild that that muscle memory, I guess, that muscle strength, that muscle memory, and just the confidence, mostly the confidence of skating once you've been injured and injured and injured. That is all. Keep killing it. All the best. Love Blue Tile. Goodbye. See you later. Clap, 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 close. We're done. Whoa.